In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete RedBus account. So first of all, launch open RedBus application. You can see over here RedBus application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to delete your account, tap on this option, My Account, that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So what you have to do is find this section for more. At last, you'll be able to find this option for account settings. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the account settings interface. Tap on this option, delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the information regarding deleting your account. Your account will be permanently deleted in 90 days. Your payment and booking history information will be deleted. You will need to re-enter all of your details if you decide to use the RedBus services again. You can also enter your feedback if you want. Simply tap on the field of feedback and you can enter the feedback if you want. You'll be able to see the date when your account will be permanently deleted. So tap on this option, delete my account, that you can see at bottom. Now you'll have to confirm the deletion. Tap on this option, yes, delete. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account and your account will be deleted. So that is how you delete RedBus account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.